Yo, what's good, guys? What's good, guys? I hope everyone is well. And in this video, I want to be talking about fake gurus, okay? Fake gurus. This is a topic of discussion very much now in 2020 because a lot of the dark is coming to the light. A lot of these so-called gurus are now looking very fugazi. And I just want to have a little thing about this. I want to add my 2 pence, okay? So everything is not what it seems, okay? I can say this as somebody who's really studied gurus, really looked up to gurus and know kind of how they do things, right? And the thing that gurus don't tell you is they're not 100% truthful with why they do things, okay? And this is the difference between a real guru and a fake guru, okay? A lot of gurus can be doing this to gain clout, to gain notoriety, to gain this #1 status of top guru, then funnel you into buying one of their courses or going to one of their seminars or to do what they want to do. And for example, like for me, right, I can just say this: I'm not a guru. I just give my experience to others based on what I've done to get to this point where I'm at now, okay? So like now I'm staying in a nice beautiful mansion, villa, whatever you want to call it. If I was a fake guru, I could say, boom, I bought this place, I'm renting this place. Nah, I'm just transparent. I came here on a holiday, and this holiday was presented to me through manifestations. But this was not a plan to say, boom, I'm gonna come here and fake it till I make it. Nah, you like if I was to really get into the nitty gritty of how I got this place, it was only divine, to keep it short and sweet. But I'm just here to tell you as a testament that you can manifest things to reality, you know. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. That's what my goal is not to be a guru. It's just to tell you that you can bend your reality and things can come into the universe and things can blow your mind. But what I'm not going to do is lie to you and tell you that I bought this or I bought that, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not that kind of guy. I just tell you what it is. I'm here on holiday. I've got a beautiful home. I'm very secure and I'm really happy with the situation I'm in because I'm grateful. And that's one thing you need to be. You need to be grateful with what you have. You need to be grateful with you have to be grateful for what you have and own, okay? For me, I don't care about ownership of many things because as I see life is just an illusion. Life is just a game. Life is just what it is. It's merely it's actually just an illusion. So I know that this is just an illusion. I know that staying here is nice, but I'm very comfortable in the home I'm in. I could rent a Lamborghini and drive around and say, boom, boom, this, that, and that. But why? Why am I doing it? Why would I be doing it? This is what gurus do. They do it to attract you to come onto their page, to go watch their stuff, to go follow them religiously because they know they can get you with material objects. I don't care about material objects. I do like to look good. I do like to have things. I do like to take care of myself. But at the same time, I don't care for this kind of things. And that's because I've let go of these things. And once I've let go of these things, the things have now come back to me, you know. And that's what I talk about, letting go, a lot, because I've been in situations where I was in China and I've come into Thailand and I've only got 50 kilos worth of baggage I can take, 2 bags, 25 kilos each. And I brought all my fancy trainers, the Jordans, the Nikes, the whatever, the designers, and I had to let some of those go because I had literally my life to take in 2 luggage bags. And when it really came down to it and I had to say to myself, what is of value, what do I really need, it was some of the designer stuff had to go. Some of the designer stuff had to go. It had to go because it didn't. I'm moving on. I got 50 kilos. I can't take everything with me, you know. Like just when we leave this earth, we can't take the materialistic things with us. You know, I'll never forget when Pop Smoke died, and unfortunately TMZ put those videos out. But as he was being escorted out, that Range Rover, that house, it's not going with him, and it really just like sunk in. I already knew this, but when you see something as visual as that, and as graphically, you know, hard to take and visualize that someone's actually left this earth, and you're seeing materialistic things being left, it really did ground me. It really did keep me like, whoa, see, this is why stunting on the gram isn't always the best option. Yes, we can do it for motivational purposes, but we have to be secure as well. We need to be very mindful that not everybody wants to see you win. Not everybody has your best intentions. And during life in time, I've known that, boom, especially if you're you know, you're black, most of us do come from humble beginnings, and when you do start to see a bit of life, you do start to, you know, see the finer things in life. We get excited. I've been excited, you know, and when you get excited, you lose your presence of mind. You lose your presence of mind. You start doing things that you really do. You start showing things off, and it's just like, it's good because you're happy. It's not even that you want to show off to the world. It's just that you're so excited that, damn, I was nothing. Now I'm something. Anybody can relate, trust me. It's the feeling of wow. But what you don't know is that there's a lot of people that are not in that same situation. So you need to be mindful and protect yourself firstly, you know. So yeah, just going a bit of on a tangent, but yeah, fake gurus. Just know everything isn't at the same time. You know, if you read the Kabbalion, the 7 Hermetic Principles, it talks about everything is and isn't at the same time. So take in what you see consciously, but unconsciously also think, okay, what's the catch? What are they not showing? What did they do to get to that position they're in now? Did they have to screw some people over to get into that situation? I'd say this not to put yourself in analysis paralysis, yeah? But I do say this to just always take things with a pinch of salt, and don't really project your goals and ambitions onto what somebody else has done, because you don't know what they've done to get to that position. I'm not saying it in a negative way that someone's screwed someone over, but at the same time you don't know. So it's just good to go off your own intuition, see something, be motivated by it, but don't let it rule you. Don't let it be a burden on you. Don't let it say, oh damn, I can't make it. Just focus on yourself, and you can be your own guru. You can be the own inner counsel to your house, your soul, your mind, your body. You know yourself more than anybody else. You can do mentorship. I'm not against mentorship, but before you do mentorship, you need to be mentally in tune with yourself, I feel. So with that being said, peace. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you related with this video or didn't relate with this video, just let me know in the comments. And yeah, if you like more content like this, let me know also. My IG is Cam Legend. You can hit me up on there for DMs if you want to ask me any questions. And yeah, peace.